Guys, so in this video we'll be discussing about a specific term and a facility given by Alibaba. We'll discuss about that. It's RFQ. Okay, so what is RFQ? Basically it's request for quotation. You can just bring your cursor here and you will see manage RFQ. So once you click this, I have already opened the window. This window will come in front of you, request for quotation. So manage RFQ, you are going to request for quotation from the suppliers. Once you fill all of this form which is in front of you, here is the completeness of the form poor. So once I fill this resistance band and select the category and sourcing type and quantity and the terms, trade terms, we'll be discussing the trade terms as well in detail. So if I need FOB, so I will select FOB, maximum budget. So once we complete all of this form, so here you will see that the RFQ, the Alibaba meter will show you excellent or complete result. So now in our case it's poor because we are leaving everything empty. So guys, you need to, before sending RFQ, you need to put all of the details of your product so that supplier can understand your requirements, and you can attach the pictures here and you can fill up these as well. If you need any certification, so you can choose the certifications from here as well. Other requirements, you can just put those other requirements. Shipping method, you can choose destination, and lead time, ship in like 40 days, 50 days, and how much lead time you want, and payment method you can choose, right? So after that, once you submit this form, so this request for quotation RFQ will float on the suppliers related to your selected category and your selected keyword. This form will float on those suppliers, and once they get this form in 2 or 3 days, you will start getting the responses from the suppliers, right? So this is a facility given by Alibaba to make it easy for you to get in touch with suppliers. And instead that you contact them, the suppliers will start contacting you, right? So it's an alternative to contact suppliers. Basically in most of the cases we do contact with suppliers, but when you send RFQ, so this RFQ float over all of those suppliers and you get the quotations from them according to your submitted RFQ.